Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to play Monopoly Go with friends. So first things first, here at the home page, and here you're gonna see on the bottom right, you're gonna see invite. Click on it. Once you're here, you can invite your contacts or your Facebook friends in order for them to play. And then you can also select here, invite. And then here on this tab, you're gonna have two options. You can share and you can also invite through Messenger. For me, I'll choose the invite button, and here you can copy the link and send it to your friend. If this video is helpful, please like and subscribe. Comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll make sure to answer them all. And that's all for now. Thank you.